It's just coming up on 6 o'clock in the morning here. I'm just creeping back into the spot on this farm we got permission to turkey hunt. We used to turkey hunt here years ago, like almost 10 years ago. We haven't in a while, so season's coming up in about a week and a couple days. I just thought I'd sneak back in here and listen for where they're gobbling. See if I can pinpoint where they're roosting these days, or if there's even any birds here. So we'll see what we see. It's nice to see that. I've been driving around a little bit this morning. I went over to one of the spots we got permission, and I just sat there, waited to hear some gobbles this morning, and never heard anything. So I don't think there's any turkeys on that farm right now. We're not too far away from that spot right now, and obviously I found lots of birds out there. I found I think there's 6 toms out there and a few jakes, and there's more males than there is females, which is always good, because when there's too many females, it's hard to call the toms away from the hens, so that's good. I'm just kind of glassing, seeing what's out there, and checked a few other spots a little earlier. I found 3 other big toms strutting around, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to get permission in those spots. So we'll see. Hopefully this spot's promising, and we can put one on the ground this year.